Hello friends, this is Strifor and welcome to the 5-Minute Market. This is where we deliver the essentials of financial markets, short, sharp, and straight to the point. This information will be enough to get acquainted with the market and begin studying it. In this video, we will review the stock index market. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and enable notifications so you don't miss other useful episodes. Stock indices are not just composite indicators of stock market conditions, but also powerful tools that allow market participants to assess the dynamics of entire regions and economic sectors. The history of indices dates back to the late 19th century when Charles Dow created the first index, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which initially consisted of 12 American industrial companies. Today, there are 30, and the Dow Jones remains one of the oldest and most recognizable indices in the world. Most indices emerged in the second half of the 20th century. In the 1970s, indices started trading as independent financial instruments. Around that time, the S&P 500 gained popularity. This index includes the 500 largest U.S. companies and is considered the most representative reflection of the American economy. Due to its broad coverage, it is used as a benchmark for comparing investment strategies and assessing market trends. It encompasses not only industrial giants but also companies from the IT sector, healthcare, and other key industries. Another popular American index is the Nasdaq Composite, which is primarily focused on technology companies. Due to its high concentration of tech stocks, it is often characterized by greater volatility, presenting both opportunities for quick profits and increased risks. By the way, there are mini contracts for each of these three indices, which have become a real find for traders who do not have significant capital or want to minimize risk. Another unconventional index of the U.S. economy is the U.S. Dollar Index DXY, which measures not company stocks but the value of the U.S. dollar against a basket of 6 major global currencies. This index serves as an important indicator of the strength of the American currency and is closely tied to global economic and political events. The European index market is represented by several assets that reflect the dynamics of the continent's leading economies. Euro Stoxx 50 includes the 50 largest companies in the Eurozone. Additionally, individual EU countries have their own indices, as does the United Kingdom, which has separated from the European Union. European indices generally exhibit strong correlation due to common macroeconomic factors, as well as global and regional trends. The Asian region, where the economy is growing rapidly, also has several popular indices. Hang Seng and Hang Seng China enterprises reflect market activity in Hong Kong but differ in composition. The main index includes both local and international companies, while the second focuses on enterprises from mainland China. Meanwhile, Nikkei 225 is the key indicator of the Japanese stock market and has several unique characteristics. For example, unlike many modern indices, it is calculated as the arithmetic average of the stock prices of its components rather than by market capitalization. Trading stock indices has its own specifics that must be considered. Evaluating macroeconomic indicators, corporate reports, and political news helps predict index trends. Chart patterns, support and resistance levels, indicators, and formations help determine entry and exit points. Most traders use a combination of fundamental and technical analysis to obtain more precise signals. Stock indices are a universal tool that allows for an assessment of entire economies and sectors. Whether for long-term investment or short-term speculation, stock indices remain a key barometer of the global economy, offering opportunities for profit in a dynamically changing global economic condition. With Strifor, you can trade CFDs on indices and other financial markets on competitive terms. To access index trading in MetaTrader 5, go to the Symbols section. You can do this quickly using the Ctrl+U shortcut, then select the index you are interested in. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments about the prospects of the indices market. See you in the next reviews.